news coming in. Sensational sabotage claim by BJP Neta. BJP MP Harnath Yadav says deserved 75 plus seats. BJP MP seeks deep dive into the UP debacle. His claim is that the party there should have been given 75 plus seats. Party leadership needs to ponder. So a request they're coming in. He's asking the party leadership to look into this. He says need a seat by seat review in Uttar Pradesh.
मैं उत्तर प्रदेश में जो वर्तमान राजनीतिक स्थिति और परिस्थिति बनी है उसमें अपने को खुद को अलग नहीं कर पा रहा। मैं खुद बहुत आहत अपने को महसूस कर रहा हूं कि हमारी पार्टी जिसको कम से कम कायदे से 75 सीट जीतने चाहिए थे, आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 80 सीटें जीतने का और शीर्ष नेतृत्व ने आह्वान किया था। तो आखिर कहाँ चूक हो गई, इस पर हमारे शीर्ष नेतृत्व को चिंता करने की आवश्यकता है। जबकि आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का गांव में, गली में, कूचे में, शहर में, कस्बे में हर जगह उनके नाम की गूंज है, उनके प्रति बड़ा श्रद्धा भाव है। उन्होंने देश के लिए जो बहुत अति महत्वपूर्ण फैसले लिए हैं, उत्तर प्रदेश के संबंध में अनेक काम किए हैं, जन जन तक अनेक लाभकारी योजनाएं पहुंचाई हैं। इसके बावजूद हम कहां हमसे चूक हो गई, इस पर गहराई से चिंतन करने की आवश्यकता है।
Adib is joining us live now with more details. Adib, here's a BJP MP who says that the party deserved more than 75 seats in Uttar Pradesh, and the leadership now needs to look into this. Is also demanding a seat by seat review.
Well, see, Swati, BJP was quite confident of Uttar Pradesh. They were saying that we have done development in Uttar Pradesh, and then there is CM Yogi Adityanath, and everyone was praising law and order situation of CM Yogi Adityanath, how he's handling law and order in the state. And BJP was quite confident that they will be winning all the 80 seats in Uttar Pradesh, and it will be a clean sweep. And BJP, in fact, Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, they had several political rallies in Uttar Pradesh. Despite being all that, some party members are saying now it's the BJP MP who is saying that we should investigate, and the party leadership should investigate that what went wrong in on every seat, that BJP is not getting 75 seats and BJP has only managed to get 33 seats in the Uttar Pradesh, which is the biggest state in the country, and BJP was banking most on Uttar Pradesh to get their 400 par. What BJP was saying that we will be crossing the 400 seats this time. For that, BJP was believing that Uttar Pradesh will be giving them around 80 seats. If not 80, then 70 to 75 was an easy target for the BJP. But BJP has come down to 33 seats. Samajwadi Party has won 37 seats. Congress has won around 6 seats. So it's time for BJP to think what went wrong. We have other BJP leaders also. Kaushik Kishore, who was the union minister from the Mohanlal Gandhi seat, he lost his seat. And few days back on his social media post, he also went on to say that we need to think that what went wrong, and there's a Vibhishan
Right,
inside
the former